You ready?
Look, everyone.
McKenna, go get your ball.
We finally have something in the house that fetches. Go get it to Daddy.
McKenna, go get your ball. Cooper, get. Come on. Thank you. Ready? There she goes. Go get the ball again for the 98th time in a row.
Good job, McKenna.
Bring your ball back. Good girl. Oh, you threw it. Good job. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh.
Uh-oh, I think we're getting tired.